We are finally in Yunnan!
Probably one of the craziest landscapes that I've ever seen here in China. Bestie ko, para akong nasa National Geographic documentary.
Alam mo yung feeling mo sobrang takot ka na, pero when you're there, you're like, I want to explore this, I want to try this, I want to go there, ganun.
First full day here in Bali.
Comparing it to Shanghai or Beijing, iba talaga yung vibe niya, iba yung architecture niya.
It's giving Europe vibes pero nasa China ka ganon. This town is actually known for the Bai ethnic culture here in Yunnan. Every shop talaga nagbibigay ng mga parang pa-free tasting. So wala ka pa sa destination mo, busog ka na day.
Magandang umaga mga dilag! Andito na po kami ngayon sa Shangri-La. We're already here on top! Itong view na to, hindi ko na alam kung kailan yung next na mawi-witness ko to. So I'm really taking it all in. Okay mga bestie ko, commercial break muna before you proceed in watching the whole video of this vlog. So for this vlog, yes, we are traveling in Yunnan, China. Very off the beaten na destination for China. Kasi diba pag usually China, Beijing, Shanghai, ganyan, Harbin. This one, not everyone knows but it's really, really beautiful. Makikita nyo naman, ayun yung mga overview of the places we visited. We spent 7 days, 6 nights and we availed our package from Tango Travels. Price is at 62,000 pesos per person, and if you actually use my code that I will be placing here throughout the whole video, you get 500 pesos per person na discount. You can book through the link that I will be placing in the description box below, or you can also message them on Instagram. Yes, if you will focus on the price itself, parang hala, 62,000 ang mahal, but let me just highlight na it's all inclusive mga bestie ko. I'll show you here the inclusions. Very, very clear talaga yung inclusions and exclusions at walang mga hidden fees. And take note mga bestie ko, walang compulsory shopping. Ayan, wala pong oras na masasayang sa inyo kasi all throughout your whole trip, talagang gagala lang po kayo. Limited lang yung mga travel dates. I'll also show you yung mga available travel dates in the future. Then, of course, the itinerary. Ayan ang itinerary mga bestie ko. Take note mga bestie ko, iba yung itinerary na to compared sa vlog na to because medyo naghalo. Parang same yung mga places to visit pero nagmix-mix lang yung mga kung ano yung naunang area in Yunnan. For us kasi, we started in Dali, papuntang Lityang. In this vlog kasi mga bestie ko, we started in Dali, then ended in Kunming. But for the package, you will start in Lityang, then end it in Kunming. Ganon. Take note nyo yan. And yeah, let the vlog begin! Enjoy! Good morning! Time check. Oh my God, yung hair ko bago! Nagpabangsang bestie niya. Mukhang tiyanga. Time check. Currently, 7:40 AM and wala pa talaga akong tulog mga sis. Hi! Later na tayo mag-intro. Gusto ko lang kayo i-update na nandito po kami sa Guangzhou Airport. Papunta po kaming Kunming. So, ang flight namin from Manila to Guangzhou is around 3:45 AM. Nasa airport na kami ng 12:45 AM. So, imagine mo, girl. Wala talagang tulog. Then, the flight is around 2 hours and something minutes. And now, we're having a layover here in Guangzhou. Papuntang Kunming. Yun lang naman. Gusto ko lang kayo i-update. Later na tayo mag-intro. Bye! Ito pala ang mga characters natin today. Hello, ang Senzon's half. Asan ang half Senzon? Nasa CR. Tapos andyan ang Bebu and Nana, Jax, Jen, Renz, Maki, Just Got Fed, Chuck and Joe, and Justine. Parang may kulang. Si MJ. Wag na yun. Ang mga characters natin, it's either umiinom, naghihintay here, at nagsi-CR. So later ko na lang talaga ipakalala lahat. Ina-update ko lang kayo. Bye. Hey guys!
Hello.
Wow! So anyway, yung mga friends ko, nag-order dun sa 2 eggs kina Merlu, me, and Justin. Justin! Show you off.
Ayan lang.
Hindi kasi kami kumain sa airplane, which is inclusive sa plane experience namin. Kaya, tinake out na lang namin. So ito yung kakainin namin. True. At least, mabibigyan pa rin namin kayo ng review. How's the food experience, diba? So this is beef noodle. Wow! It's giving breakfast. Kain tayo, guys. Natulog lang kami buong flight.
I'll just explain what's happening right now. We are going to Kunming with the gang. With the gang, we are availing a package tour from Tango na i-discuss ko na lang sa inyo mga bestie ko on the next period of time. But for now, ayan nga, magcha-China kami. Marami kami pupuntahan, basta yan. With the gang, today is our flight day. So, like I've said earlier, our route is from Manila to Guangzhou, then Guangzhou to Kunming, then from Kunming, babiyahe tayo papuntang hotel, then so on and so forth. Then, our airlines is China Southern Airways. Part of the flight is food. So, inclusive na yung food. So, ayan na siya mga bestie ko. Hindi ko na video yung itsura ng airplane because sobrang pagod talaga ako, guys. Like, trentahin ako. Hindi ko na kayang hindi maka 8 hours sleep. So, imagine, no hour of sleep ako right now. I mean, meron naman si OA naman. 2 hour of sleep. Ganon. So, wala talaga ako energy i-video yung plane. But, based on my experience, maliit lang siya. 5-seater row. Comfortable naman yung seats kasi nakatulog na agad ako. So, anyway, yun na yun. Cheers! I mean, walang wow factor. Pero masarap siya. For a libreng food, good in the hood. So, anyway, napapansin niyo ba yung hair ko? Stop! Wala pang makeup to Bukas magaganda pa tayo. Diba? Nagpabangs ako. Sino yan? First time ko magpabangs ng ganito. Like, hindi naman ako heartbroken. Napagtripan ko lang. Diba? And it's actually really nice. Feel ko lang mahirap siyang i-maintain. Pero laban na. Gusto natin to.
Ang ganda talaga eh. Maganda nga. Parang Kim Possible. So, binalan ako niya.
Habang may basura sa likod mo.
Binalan ako ng drink ni Mami Jax. Feel ko, mahal ko na siya. Kanina ko pa siya crush. Nakita ko siya sa airport. Ang gwapo niya. Pero alam naman natin. Oo, tapos nag-convert mo. I-convert mo. But, binigyan niya pa ako ng lemonade. Pero walang straw. Ay, isa pa to. Acts of service and love gifts. Ay, gift of love. Gift of love. Love.
Acts of
Acts
service.
of service and gift. Giving.
Tulog ka mama. Tulog ka mamaya
Nakakatulog. Dub. Ay. Dubo. Wala mo talaga. Dubul. Kasi nakita ko. Dub X. From Double X.
Nagkakagulo na yung mga tao because na-confiscate ang mga power bank. First honor, second honor, third honor, ayan ang fourth honor, yung mga mukha nila, tingnan mo, oh. Ilan ang mga nakuha? Nakuha ang...
Congratulations. Yayaman na naman ng mas lalo ang China.
Tapos grabe sila mang kap-kap.
Oo, talagang nakapkap niya pati yung ulo ng
So, lesson learned mga best ko. Dapat CCC kasi sobrang strict talaga nila. Especially for local transfers. Doon sila strict eh. Dapat CCC yung power bank. Ayan, I'll show you a sample. Sinabi ko na yan sa Shanghai vlog ko.
So meron pang naghabol na fifth honor, si Nana. 5 ang na-confiscate sa grupo natin. Hello! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, binigyan tayo ng flowers mga bestie ko. Because touchdown Kunming! Ah, so cute! Oh, yun na nga. So, bago ko makalimutan ang name ng kakainin namin mga bestie ko, bago man tayo pumasok sa loob ng restaurant, we will be eating Pu Chiao, rice noodle. Ayan na. So, this is our restaurant. Our first ever restaurant here in Kunming. Wow. So, these are the ingredients pa lang in the soup. Ano pa lang to? 1/3 of the buong kakainin namin. I love it! We already have all the ingredients in the table. We have the very, 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 very hot soup. Na as in boiling, hindi siya boiling pero super init. Huwag daw hawakan kasi sobrang init naman daw talaga. Then we also have ingredients sets. And binigyan na rin tayo ng, wow, ang daming noodles. And mga bestie ko, this is actually rice noodles. Gawa talaga siya ng kanin. ingredients is already in the bowl. Oh my gosh. Oh, ang daming rice noodles. I don't know if mauubos ko to. Yum. Ayan na siya, guys. Wow. First meal of the day. Let's taste test.
Sarap, no?
It's good. Oh my God, it's so comforting.
Take out natin to.
Grabe, sobrang, oh my gosh. So good. Oh my God, ang sarap ng coriander. Ang sarap niya, guys. Sobrang comforting niya. Hindi siya maalat. Everything is just so perfect. OA talaga. Thank you, Tango Travels. So, meron po nagsundo sa amin from Tango Travels. And, mga bestie ko, ito lang naman ang aming airport transfers. And imagine sa laki ng bus na yan, 13 lang po kami, day. So, tagi-isang row. I love it. I super love it. Diba? And ang maganda dyan, tinan mo yung mga luggages namin, hindi patong-patong, hindi Tetris. Yun yung kinakabahan ako eh. But ngayon, ayan it's comfortable. Hi everyone, classmates. Do you want a house tour? Hey! When I say hap hap, you say. When I say hooray, you say. God is good? So, ganyan ang aming seats. Hi! I love it. God is so good. Tinan mo naman ang leg space. Die! Wow. VIP. I'm so happy. Ayan na, na-experience na nila ang reclining. Anong masasabi nyo? So good?
Hinahanap namin kanina pa.
Oo, no. The airplane seats cannot. Ayan sila, nakaka-experience. Masaya? How's the experience?
So good. My motion sickness cannot eat.
Tinaray ko lang pero hindi yung ganun. I will try it myself. So, try ko daw umupo. So kasi everyone. Enrique here. I don't understand. So I'm feeling so bad now. Say it again, my heart's in motion. Good morning! Ngayon yung bus namin sa likod. Grabe. Akala nyo lang ang bilis ng pangyayari because nanonood lang kayo ng vlog at wala akong na-share after the lunch. But Zay, nakapag-travel na kami ng 2.5 hours. Nakatulog na din ako ng 2 hour and something minutes while traveling here. And guess what? We are just halfway to our hotel. So yes, mga bestie ko, from Kunming, we will be going to Dali. If I'm not mistaken, I'll just place the itinerary here. From Kunming to Dali, it will take us 5 freaking hours. We're halfway there, sis. We're halfway there. But in fairness, because I mean, with the quality of our bus, it's actually not super uncomfortable. Tinulog lang din talaga namin. So, hindi namin talaga namalayan yung time. I'm so happy. Ayan siya, nagsasnack. Sarap?
Sobrang sarap ng
Yeah.
sausage nila. Sarap yan. Tell me I'm OA.
Sarap? Gagi?
Second meal of the day. It's okay. Time check, mga bestie crows na 30 p.m. na. Okay. What is it? 22 hours? Na tayong nagliliwaliw?
22 hours na time bumabiyahe.
46 na kami. Hindi pa kami nakaka-uwi and we're already dami namin food today. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. We're actually in the middle of this old town na very, oh my God.
Parang
Very, very, very charming. Ang laki niya, as in nakaka-overstimulate siya. Alam mo yung feeling na sobrang pagod ka na, pero when you're there, you're like, I want to explore this, I want to try this, I want to go there, ganun. Nakita niyo naman sa B-rolls, no? Ganun. Ang may sipa talaga. I just wish we have extra energy para mas makapag-ingot around. Pero masarap. Wala. Spicy. Ito yung mga classmate natin ngayon.
it's like, yeah.
It's like, hindi siya... Ayun ang mga classmate natin, mga gutom, mga with rice cakes. Oh, diba?
Good morning! Grabe, hinihingal na ako guys. Ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko sa inyo, ang nipis ng hangin dito kaya if mapapansin yung hihingalin ako sa vlog na to dahil yun doon. At malay mo because trentahin na rin. Humihina na rin po tayo. Eme. But yes, good morning! First full day here in Dali. Energy ni Bestie. Ayan, so ipapakilala ko muna kayo sa mga characters for today's video. Oh! Hi! Follow the sense. Hep hep! Hooray! Walang nag-hooray sa akin mga bestie ko. But anyway, for today, we will be going around Dali area. Ito siguro yung isa sa mga warmest days namin during our whole trip. It's currently around mga 15 degree. Yes, naka-puffer jacket na po ako pero manipis lang naman because lamigin talaga tayo mga bestie ko. Yeah, the weather is really nice. Ito yung mga amats ko, yung medyo malamig pero hindi super lamig. Yung hindi mainit, yung hindi ka papawisan ganun. Ito ang the best. Yun lang talaga, napaka-ipis ng hangin. So medyo mahirap. Huminga! Before anything else mga bestie ko, share ko lang ang aming accommodation for this area. 2 days kami magsistay dito. We checked in yesterday. Ayan, it's really giving yung mga movies, yung mga Chinese movies, ganun. Talagang ganun ang atake ng hotel namin. Sobrang grabe talaga. Yesterday when we were checking in, we were like, wow! Nawala yung pagod namin. As in, wow talaga. Kita mo naman yung vibes, di ba? Then, when you go inside our room, boosh, very spacious, very comfortable, and it's still giving that like old town vibes, ganun. So, yun ang aming feelings ngayon. Yun ang aming feelings for this trip. 2 nights kami magsistay in this area. We have free breakfast pero hindi ako nag-breakfast kanina because ewan ko, binawi ko talaga sa tulog. Alam niyo naman, 'di ba? Sobrang pagod talaga ako nung first day namin. So ayan, ang dami namin mga bestie. We're 15 people, I think. Ayan. For sure, makikita niyo yung mga favorite vloggers here. Diba? I love it. So, we're currently here staying in Dali Mansion pala. Hindi ko na-mention. Dali Mansion. So, we took the bus from our accommodation to our first destination and we are currently here in the 3 pagodas mga bestie ko. 3 siya, yes, and nakaparang triangle siya. The tallest one is actually 69 meters tall. And ginawa siya during the Tang Dynasty. Grabe mga bestie ko, during the time that you're gonna go around or walk around the area, mararamdaman mo talaga yung pagkanipis ng air. Like, hihingalin ka talaga. Kahit short walk lang or kahit kaunting stairs lang, hihingalin ka talaga, guys. So, make sure to bring your water and keep it slow. So, we will be spending around 1.5 hours in this area because malaki talaga siya. Yung nakikita nyo ngayon, yung 3 pagodas, it's more than that. There are actually more areas beyond that area. We have these temples, ayan, mga medyo pa-park or greeneries area. Yeah, explore lang, mga bestie ko. So, one interesting fact about this place, marami ng earthquakes na dumaan dito sa area na to, as in super dami, and nasira na yung mga temples, but what remain is the 3 pagodas over centuries mga bestie ko. Talagang matatag kung matatag. Pagodas are actually here because it serves as a protection, sabi nila, from bad, evil spirits. So, diba, na-imagine nyo ba yung vibe niya? Mga bestie ko, by the way, Dali is actually part of the Bai ethnic culture here in China. So, kung mapapansin nyo, comparing it to Shanghai or Beijing, iba talaga yung vibe niya, iba yung architecture niya, iba talaga yung atake niya.
To follow her.
Gagi, kasing kulay mo.
Diba?
Wow.
Baka ma-wash out ako.
So, ayun yung mga pagoda over there. Ang amats ni MJ, ayan, dito sa punuan. Kasama si Kuya. Oo. Kasi ang kanyang face card lang naman. No?
Oo. Bigyan natin kay Maki mga information.
So, ayan ang mga behind the scenes ng The Senzons. I love it. Gusto ko lang din ang jowa na taga-video sa akin. So, mga bestie ko, we're currently going down na since ang dami namin nilakad. And we decided to take the shuttle for 130 pesos each. Kasi ang dami talaga namin hinilakad. Napagod na kami. Ayan, so nagpipicture ang mga boys natin before we go to the second destination. Ang ating F4. Na 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 na. Ganda gago. Tawa-tawa. Okay, so dito naman tayo mga bestie ko sa parang it's giving Europe vibes pero nasa China ka ganon. We are currently here in Shizu Asian Town. It's an old town mga bestie ko na very very charming. Ang ganda ng vibe, nakaka-relax. Alam mo yung parang nasa village ka ni Tinkerbell ganon. And this town is actually known for the Bai ethnic culture here in Yunnan. Kung mapapansin mo yung mga architecture nila, ayan no, very detailed yung houses. Old town vibes talaga siya. If mahilig kayo sa mga local markets, this is the perfect place. Kada kanto, ang daming mga food spot, ganon. At ang maganda pa dito, alam mo yung Chinese marketing style na every shop talaga nagbibigay ng mga parang pa-free tasting. So wala ka pa sa destination mo, busog ka na day.
Chinese pizza daw siya.
Yum! 10 yuan. Try natin. Oh, pa-share tayo. Salty.
Ba't parang hindi ka masaya, sis?
Ang ruwet.
Ano yan? Sweet?
Salty.
Salty din to. Para lang siyang flatbread, no? Yun lang. Kaya sabi ko, mas okay na siya siguro kung may chili sauce. Yun.
Masarap ka naman siya usawa. Okay lang. Ayan, so namimigay si Mami Jax. Alam niya kasi gutom na kami.
Kakaiba eh. Kakaiba yung...
Food trip din. Maraming mga pagkain around. Bibili ako mga bestie ko ng sausage at ako yung nagugutom. It's 3-1. Diyos ko, 27 pesos. And usually the payment is, actually not usually, most of the time talaga, is via QR code. You can pay it through Alipay or GCash actually. So siya chicken mga bestie girls. Pagpagan mo na ng mga kung anik-anik.
Isang side lang.
Hotdog time.
Hotdog, ang agang hotdog
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches.
Yay!
Kaya?
Kaya ba yan? Ay?
Gusto mo ba buo na?
Deep throat.
I love it. Sarap. Masarap kasi yung mga cumin and chili. It's really good. Thank you! Sinay ko muna kung pogi si kuya.
Parang iba-ibang club.
Ang lasa? Anong lasa niya? Barbecue?
Cuminish. How much yan? 30.
270 pesos.
270 pesos. Wow! Diba? Wala pa kaming lunch. Kumakain na. Lapang-lapang lang dito. Diba parang ang Dali is known for their mushroom.
Oh man, known for mushrooms. Yunnan, maraming. Yung
Ang
buong...
Yunnan mushroom talaga, no? So ito, we're trying mushroom, street food.
This is the better sauce. Hindi na tayo
Oh, yeah.
Halika na. Pag-lunch na tayo.
Sarap. Same lang ng same lang ng powder sa. Tinaray ko kaninang sausage. Galing. Wow! So, ang daming mga food around, mga bestie ko. Talagang non-stop. Magsasawa ka na lang talaga sa sobrang dami. Ang maganda pa doon, halos lahat nagpi-free taste. So, alam mo yun, hindi ka pa kumakain, busog ka na kasi ang dami ng mga ganon. Ano kaya to? Yan. Tapos ang dami din nilang mga flowers. This one, 9.9. Super cute ng color. Lunch time na mga bestie ko and we're currently here in this restaurant. It's giving Chinese history town. Ganon. Even restaurant itself, sobrang charming niya. And ayan ang aming food. Ang dami. Take note mga bestie ko, this is inclusive in the package that you will be availing with Tango Travel. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, pag hindi nyo gamitin ang aking code, bakit? Parang gusto ko pa ng spicy. Sarap. Sarap din. Yung kahapon, sobrang spicy ngayon. Parang curry lang. Ang sarap.
Dati ano siya? Kinder to grade 5, 6 pataas.
Ang comment ko lang, ano talaga sila, oily.
Ganun talaga Chinese. Maybe that's
So, next destination is Erhai Lake. Mamaya na ako mag-explain kung anong destination to because very magulo ang nangyayari ngayon kasi mag-rent kami ng boat! Ayan, oh. A naman dyan, A. And si Bebu. So, ayan ang mga nangyayari ngayon. Ikaw din, solo? Yeah. Ay!
Parang na-inspire tuloy ako. Pero hindi eh, gusto kong mag-isa.
So siya ang magiging ano ko driver, passenger princess. Nararamdaman ko yung muscles ni Kuya Chuck.
Ang cute. 8, the gang.
Ayan na mga bestie ko, we are already exploring around Erhai Lake here in Dali. Ayan si ating driver. Charis! Kuya Chuck! Si Kuya Chuck. Passenger princess tayo ngayon kasi ayoko talagang mag-bike. Masakit
Nakaskirt
siya.
ka eh.
Oo, nakaskirt ako and at the same time parang nakakapagod, nakakawala ng freshness. But anyway, ayan ang Erhai Lake! I'm not sure kung anong name ng neighborhood na to. I'll just put it here. But on our right side is the Erhai Lake. This is actually, I think, one of the biggest freshwater lake here in China. Mukha na siyang ocean, actually. Oo, so sobrang laki niya. Very, very calming ng vibe around. It's giving Korean K-drama vibes. Bale, 1.5 hour ang allotted time namin here in this area. So, basically, ang activity is just bike around sa mga spots na gusto nyong picturean, then chill-chill lang. Picture-picture. And for us, it's actually really enough na yung time exploring and taking photos. Enough na siya.
Meant for each other, staring in her dark green eyes. I want to.
Ang ganda naman! Sobrang ganda ng vibe dito mga bestie ko. It's giving very Korean drama. We have the lake on the left side. Then we have super cutesy cafes, restaurants on the right side. As in, cutesy talaga sila.
Vibe na vibe.
Vibe na vibe. Tapos ayun no, may mga nagtitinda ng balloons, ng flowers. Tapos in the middle, we're here, biking around. Tapos ang cute pa ng bike namin, may bulaklak din. Ang ganda pa ng weather. Grabe mga bestie ko, sinasabi ko sa inyo, napakamura talaga ng package na to. Wow! So this is the look of the lake, y'all. It's ganda kasi is the whole neighborhood. Yun yung giving. But the lake itself, fresh naman yung vibe niya kasi ang ganda ng weather. Taal Lake pa rin. Charis.
Too scared to hear you say, oh, you're not the one, no, you're not the one.
Okay, time check is around past 6 p.m. already. Yes, meron pang araw during this time. And our agenda today is just free and easy, mga bestie ko. And I don't mind because our hotel is located in the middle of Dali Old Town. So, talagang kailangan namin ng free time na to para mag-explore around the Old Town. And bestie ko, ang dami talagang mga ganap dito sa Old Town. It's giving Intramuros pero China. Ganun. And first agenda on our last agenda tonight is, ayan, magko-costume. Hi! Anong agenda natin today? Hawak mo na sana. Di ba tapos, girl? Di ba tapos, girl? So ayan, magre-rent kami ng costume and magpapa-photo shoot. We will be wearing their traditional costumes like this. Ayan. And maraming mga choices dito. I love it. So ayan ang mga costume na available. Anong naiisip mo, Nana? Parang ikakasal na nakaitim. Parang gusto ko yung kabila. So ayan, medyo I'm torn between. Ito cute din to eh.
That's what I chose for you.
Diba? Cute din to. Pero kung gusto mo ng medyo may skin talaga, parang ito yung bet ko. Excuse me po. Ayan. Diba?
At dahil si Coles ay naka-work in progress, ito siya ngayon. Kasi, kailangan dito ako sa gilid eh, pero baka maano. Wait.
Hi guys.
Wow!
Ayun na so far.
So far. Ay, ang cute. Yung blush mo sobrang parang pakak.
Yun nga eh.
Parang ganun lang siya.
Giyami.
Parang mali yun.
Iba-iba din yung
Ito yung kay
makeup
Jen.
na.
Oh. Baka maganyan ka din. Yung braids. Bibigyan ka na ng eye bag, sis.
Talaga.
Oo.
Hindi naman kailangan.
Meron na.
Okay.
Yan. It's so nice. Tapos ito yung outfit mo. Hindi pa masyado makita.
Secret pa.
Surprise. Check muna natin kay Maki. Ito na kay Maki. Malapit-lapit na siya matapos.
May pa-eye bags din ako, guys.
Dapat meron ka ring drawing sa mukha.
Parang meron kasi look at my yung nasa poster.
Ito siya. Sorry kayo. Si Maki yung model. Okay, so right now, naghihintay lang kami ni Nana na maging kami na. Okay, tama na ako. Masyado na.
Let the photoshoot begin! Ay, wait lang. Pakita ko muna yung mga look ng mga friends ko. Here is Maki. Aura sis. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. And we have Tinana. Can I see your look? Aura. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Diba? Kakaibang mga peg eh. Hindi sila same-same eh. Look at Justin, sis! Iba. Tira mo yung mukha niya, no? Oh. Look at the details. I love it. Tapos na po ang mga prinsesa. Hazel King, Tapos andun si Justin, nagpa-change ng hairdo. Here's Nana and Maki. Can I see your outfits? Yes, sis! Ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda. Ayan si Maki. Oh.
Miss Calls Vidal. Diyan mo rin ng content.
Real?
Oo. Okay, pose. Your best pose. She knows her angles. What the fuck? She knows what to do.
She is dancing.
Woo! She is dancing. Hazel Kingo.
Oh, nagpo-photoshoot na kami. Ayan si Maki, siya ang aking classmate. And I'll show you the behind the scenes here. Ayan yung mga behind the scenes. Later on, i-reveal ko yung mga photos namin. By the way, mali pa lang aking na-share kanina. The 299 is inclusive of 30 raw photos, hindi edited, and 6 edited ones. So, take note mo yan, 30 raw photos lang, or 30, chuk-chuk-chuk, ganon.
30 shots.
Oh, 30 shots lang.
Pero parang more than 30 na naman.
So, let's go.
So, ayan, dinedirect naman kami pero medyo mahirap because of the language barrier. Like, they can't tell us what to do. Pinapakita lang nila, tas up to us kung paano intindihin. In fairness naman.
Okay, so update mga bestie. Tapos na po tayo sa ating photo shoot. Yay! Oh my god, this is probably one of the highlights of my whole China experience. I mean, not just for this trip, like the whole China experience for the past years of my life. Naka 4 times na yata. This is my 4th time here in China, I think. Oo. Then this is one of the highlights kasi I mean, look at us! The photo shoot experience, probably, hindi ko alam, medyo hindi ko siya bet kasi ang napuntang photographer sa amin is parang maganda yung photos, yes, pero we had to really work with her. You get what I mean? There are other photographers kasi like what yung mga other friends namin. Sila na yung nagda-direct and maraming locations and alam nila yung ginagawa nila. This one, medyo trainee pa lang siya. So, hirap kami. Like, ako, I have to search on Pinterest for pegs, ganyan. And the important thing is she's trying naman. So, ito na ang, ayan na, si Kuya. Pipili na kami ng 6 edited photos. So, ayan na, pipili na ako. Grabe yung edit, mga bestie ko. No, X. No. No. No.
Parang hindi tayo edited.
Yes.
Oo nga, memory
No. Ayoko may mga magaganda. Yes. Oh my God. Can I see next? No. Oh, di ba? Ang puti ng kilikili ko. No.
Ang pinis.
Oo. Oh, pak. So ano na? Ready na ba kayo sa reveal ng mga photos ko?
Nachona, 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 mere
What do you think? Comment down below.
Nachona, 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 mere saath.
Magandang umaga mga dilag! Andito na po kami ngayon sa Shangri-La. Oo, this is already our 2nd full day. And earlier, we already traveled for 2.5 hours from Dali to Shangri-La. And now, we are already having our lunch. Ganon kabilis ang araw today. Grabe, gets nyo ba yung aking outfit ngayon? Parang it's giving Lola. Na-stress kasi ako kahapon kaya wala na akong time mag-ayos-ayos. But yes, today is Shangri-La Day. Home to the... Anong ang home ang Shangri-La? Shangri-La Hotel. Dito po. Pero dito, inspired yung name ng Shangri-La Hotel. Mi Jax. So we are currently here in Shangri-La, right? So what is this known for?
Di ba The Lost Horizon, may Shangri-La yon. So inspired daw yon from Shangri-La. Kasi sa Shangri-La na hotel ata, kinuha yung name from The Lost Horizon na book.
Okay. So ano meron dito sa Shangri-La?
Yung may gorge later.
Gorge, Kinamerlu, oo.
Yung, di ba, river. Siya yung naghahati sa Jade Mountain, Snow Mountain, and may isa pang pangalan ng mountain. Meaning, Shangri-La, Lijiang. Siya yung naghahati. River.
On the next days, maglilidyang kami. So, guess nyo na yung route namin. So, ayan, nakita nyo na ba ang aming lunch spread? This is actually very, very normal on our days here in China. Talagang punong-puno ang table yun ng pagkain, ganun. At ikaw na lang talaga magsasawa kumain. Sobrang And this is 2 times a day. First, sa breakfast naman kasi, free breakfast yung hotel nyo. So, every lunch and dinner, ganito ang atake ng Tango Travels. Oh my God, mga bestie ko. So our first destination for today is probably one of the craziest landscapes that I've ever seen here in China. We are here in Tiger Leaping Gorge. Ayan. And, oh my God, nakikita niyo ba nung nakikita ako? Imagine this river so powerful and it's surrounded with mountains 4,000 meters high, I believe. Bestie ko, para akong nasa National Geographic documentary. So, this place is actually one of the deepest river canyons in the entire world. Sabi nga ni The Sensons a while ago, it's between the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain and the Haba Snow Mountain. The river flow below this is in the upper Yangtze River. Diba? Kung makikita nyo, grabe, sobrang aggressive, sobrang lakas ng river. Imagine mo kung nalaglag ka dito, Jai. So far mga bestie ko, weather check, it's actually not that cold as I expected. Naka 2 layers ako, 1 heat tech na ultra warm and ito nga long skirt and thick na knitted sweater. Okay lang siya, but it's quite windy. There are times na sobrang windy, yun, medyo malamig. By the way if you're here in Shangri-La, mas thinner na yung air compared sa Dali. Like kahit konting lakad ka lang, medyo hinihingal ka na. Tapos parang very limited yung, alam mo yung feeling na gano'n yung lungs mo. Ganon. So ang
Parang
hirap.
yung oxygen, hindi na ganun ka, parang
Oo.
karami, parang ganun.
Oo. Pero maganda naman yung view namin, so okay lang. Charis. Nag-a-add sila ng location na hindi part ng package if there is extra time. Lucky enough kami na may extra time kami. That's why, ayan, dumaan kami dito sa cafe that is on the way to our real destination, which is yung Shangri-La Old Town. And sobrang ganda mga bestie ko. I-manifest nyo na lang na sana dumaan din kayo dito kasi sobrang
Kaya
ganda.
lambingin nyo yun.
Lambingin nyo yung, yung Jenny nyo. Ganun. Touristy. It's very soft. Very nature talaga. Kalmado. Yes, very calm.
explain si Jenny.
I love it. I'm so happy. Kanina nag-iiyakan kami nitong Inday na to.
Oo nga.
Kasi ito lang naman yung nakikita namin. Ayan o, nakikita niyo ba yung sparkle na yan? Ayan. Soft talaga ako sa ganyan. Like, it just reminds me of how beautiful the nature is. Ang ganda. Ang vibe niya, guys, para kayong nasa Switzerland, New Zealand vibes. Very green. Tapos may lake in front of you. May mga horses. May mga alpaca. Ayun o, naglalaro pa yung dog sa alpaca. Oh my God, ang cute. Okay, so the name of the cafe is Chili Snow Mountain. You have to buy or you have an entrance fee pero consumable. I'm not really sure. But ayan, meron kaming tea here. Care of the agency. Nilibre kami pero again, that's not part of the package. And it's 80 pesos. So anyway, going back to what I was saying, ayan, napakaganda ng vibe mga bestie ko. It's giving me the reminder that life is so beautiful. Ganon. Take note, though, this is not part of the usual itinerary, okay? Add-on siya. So if you want to visit this cafe as well, you have to pay extra. Cheers tayo! Ayun si Jazz. Jazz, how are you feeling? Diba? Nag-iyakan nga kami kanina ni Mo. Nakaka-reset siya. Alam mo yun, nakaka-reset siya. Cheers!
Beautiful life.
Yes, life is good!
So nice.
Ang sarap ng tea nila, pomelo tea. Naglagay ako ice love, so mas refreshing siya. Ano nararamdaman niyo today? Well,
Kami parang surreal itong nandito tayo ngayon sa napakagandang lake with a great mountain view. Tas ang ganda pa ng sunset. Talagang mapapat.
Oo, tinan
Thank
mo,
you,
may
Lord, ka na
maliliit
lang.
pa siyang mga, ano yan, ducks? No?
Oo, may mga
The
ducks.
details, so ganda.
Parang ramdam mo talaga eh. You know, yung step by the step.
Kaya na pa ako umiiyak. Kasi ang ganda ng view.
Tsaka yung malamig yung weather, tas mainit yung araw. Parang,
Totoo,
oh my
totoo.
gosh,
Wala lang
it's so nice.
air. Charis.
So,
Kasama ko si
provided
Mo, tsaka
ng
si
agency for free
Hindi, ang dami
because
kong iniinom.
it's very necessary, especially yung altitude right now is not giving us.
Yan. Wala naman siyang taste.
Okay ba?
I mean, nakakaano siya. Kasi kunwari parang nagpa-palpitate yung
Oo,
feeling na
napalpitate ako bigla
ang hirap huminga, parang limited lang yung lungs mo. Then with this one, it just makes it normal. So our next destination, mga bestie ko, is the Shangri-La Old Town. And before anything else, magdi-dinner muna kami. Early dinner, hindi early dinner. 6:40 na, but it doesn't feel like 6:40 because may araw pa sa labas. And we are currently in Three Brothers Cafe, Tibetan restaurant kaya to. Diba? Ayan, pinoprovidean tayo ng yak milk tea to help you adjust with the altitude here in Shangri-La. Mararamdaman mo talaga yung pagkasikip ng puso mo, Jai.
You live there? Yeah, 1 year.
Hindi naman siya super like, ala, nahihirapan na ako. It's just really hard to breathe. But manageable siya, mga bestie ko. Just, of course, avoid running, avoid very aligaga, avoid talking a lot, jumping. Like, you know what I'm saying? Wag ganun. No, dapat soft girl lang, nonchalant muna.
Para siyang parmesan ang smell. Parang parmesan. No, seriously. You wanna smell it? Para siyang cheese na tinunaw na nilagyan ng asin.
Oo, totoo. Na
Ganun
malabnaw
lang
lang.
So, ayan, nakita niyo ba ang aming dinner spread? Di ba, ang dami na naman talaga. And this time, we were served Tibetan food. And part of that is actually, kakaserve lang sa amin is the yacht. Sizzling yacht. Ay, yak. Yacht! Yate! Sizzling yak! I think, never in my life nakakain ako ng yak. I mean, kanina, nagyak ako dun sa, that was my first time probably. So, yay, I'm not a yak virgin anymore. Yak time. Sarap. Gago, sarap.
Yung air.
Ay, yung air pala. Sarap.
Nonchalant tayo dito.
Ang sarap, what the fuck?
Alin?
Ang sarap lasang coriander. Sarap, guys. Oh my God.
Ay, wala. Galing kami. So, at first, pero sumakay kami dun sa
So good. Sobrang sulit. Nakakailang mention ako. The whole package, sobrang sulit. Everything is provided. Then the food, hindi siya tinipid. Quality talaga. It's not just pangpabusog You are experiencing other cultures' food. Like itong Tibetan. First time ko to, guys. Again, all the package details are in the description box below. Nandyan yan. Nilagay ko lahat. Kayo nang bahala magtingin-tingin.
dance with everyone here in this area. I love it. I feel like part kami ng show.
Ang galing. As in, lahat kami, mga bestie ko, sinusundan namin yung Tibetan over there. And, ayan, sayaw-sayaw kami. I love it.
So behind me is this called stupa. And in Tibetan Buddhist culture, if iikutin mo yan isa-isa, swerte daw siya. So, syempre, doon tayo sa swerte, Jai. Let's go!
So comparing it to the old town that we visited yesterday, ang hirap magsalita. This one is more on Tibetan culture naman, mga bestie ko. It's giving mountain town energy, ganun. This is actually also called as Duzekong Ancient Town. And it's actually one of the oldest Tibetan town here in Yunnan, mga best. So take note, high altitude na to, like I've said, nasa taas na tayo, so medyo talagang mahirap huminga. So what we do is talagang mabagal lang kami maglakad, hindi kami masyadong tumatawa, ganun. So I'm just really happy to be witnessing another side of China. Iba talaga yung vibes dito sa Shangri-La comparing it to the other days. It's really different. So for example, ito kanina di ba sumasayaw-sayaw kami. Ngayon nagkakantahan naman.
Know you love me, I know you care. Shadow never, I'll be an item.
Na 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 wow. Sarcastic baby.
Oh, mali na naman sila. Mali-mali yung lyrics sila, hindi lang napapansin ng mga Chinese, pero mali din sila ng lyrics. Nakakatawa. Memorize ko yan, wag ako.
Pakantahin natin si MJ.
A few moments later.
I got this feeling inside.
Let's go!
Meron ng superstar! Diba? Bakla naman yung smile mo, Day. Ay, kilig na kilig! Kilig na kilig siya! Kilig na kilig si ate, Naging celebrity si MJ! Tarahin ang hotel namin. Hilton. And it's giving luxury. Diba? Hilton Garden Inn. Welcome to the garden! So right now, what's happening is we're just walking around the lake para makakita ng mas beautiful, prettier view of the monastery. So, tinan mo naman ang aming view, mga bestie ko. Grabe, close to nature. Kahapon pa kami closer to nature. I love it.
Bawal mo kainin yung mga makikita mo dito, yung fish, yung bird, or whatever. Kasi nga, dito sa place na to, na-enlighten yung mga living Buddhas.
Oh. Sacred place yan.
Sacred place
So,
talaga
it's a
siya.
sacred place.
So there's two options on going up the monastery. Stairs or car. Syempre, car kami. So yeah, we're on the way to on top. Going up.
So, ayan. Oh my God, ito yung gusto ko din.
Yan yun. So, parang tatlong TV.
So, ayan. Mahilig kasi talaga ako sa Chinese na chili. Parang sobrang sarap talaga ng chili nila, Tay.
So ayan, pinagkalooban po ako ng maraming chili choices. And it's very fresh. Talagang ginawa. Can I see this?
Iba-iba. Like, it's Germany.
Not too spicy. Ayoko na.
Then,
Can I see?
35.
Ayun.
So ayan, ang sasarap nila lahat as in. It's 3 for 100. Ito masarap siya. May mga nuts. So parang alam mo yun, chili with nuts. Ito medyo matamis, both of them. So hindi siya ganun kaanghang. This one sobrang anghang, Jay. Pero masarap.
So may bago na pong career ang ating Maki.
This is my new life. Tinan mo, may onions.
Life after cloak.
Life after cloak. Gawa ng chili sa China. Grabe yung chili niya, fresh na fresh.
Ay, gusto ko namin ito mauubos.
Kaya nga. Pwede mo may smell ba niyan?
Wala, yan.
Hindi tumanghang. Ito hindi mo tumanghang.
Oh, grabe. Amoy na amoy mo yung...
Parang kay mama, baga chili.
Nagbenta pa nga siya, guys. Free taste.
Grabe.
Talagang kinariri niya na. Welcome.
Yes, gusto ko yan.
Wow.
Gandahan mo yung kuha sa akin, di puro oil ha.
Tagalan natin.
Huwag puro oil.
Matagal ko siya naubos, sis.
Feel ko, ako magbibigay ako sa mga staff.
As in, binigay ko din sa office.
Oo, yun. Ako din. Magbibigay ako sa staff.
Customer, one happy customer. Ang bait din ni ate. No, tuwang-tuwa. Yay! Happy purchase!
After our first location, ako, as in, from the location, yung monastery, pababa, medyo parang bumibigat na yung ulo ko hanggang sa parang nung nasa bus na ako. Parang sobrang sakit na ng ulo ko and parang nasusuka na ako. Dumiretso na kami sa lunch area namin. So during that time, sobrang nonchalant na ako. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Na-film ko lang ang aming lunch spread. But that's it. Food was really nice actually. And when I started eating, I felt better. So okay ako, naging medyo less nonchalant na. But then when lunch was done and nasa bus na kami, sumakit na naman talaga ulit yung ulo ko. So yun nga, like what I did, I drank the medicine, then umidlip ako. 2 hours din. 2 hours then because we were already traveling out from Shangri-La to Lidiang. We're already here. Mas mababa na yung area na to. So mas madali nang kuminga and everything. So yeah, now that I'm nakikita niyo na ako, okay na ako. So that was 3 hours total of traveling. Sana naririnig nyo ako, no? Sana talaga. So that was... Sumuka ka? Ayan. May sumukang friend ko habang nagbablog. Bakit ka sumuka? Ayan na siya, oh.
Ayan po.
Sumuka si Enrique Hill natin.
100 yuan.
So as I was saying, from Shangri-La to Litiang, it will take you 3 hours bus ride. So idlip lang kami. Then after namin umidlip, doon ako, I felt a little bit better. Then nag-take ako ng paracetamol to cap it off. Then thankfully, okay na. The weather here is warmer comparing it to the Shangri-La. Kung nakikita nyo, ayan, naka-tube na ako. So it's warmer here. Our first destination here in Litiang is the Litiang Old Town. It's UNESCO Heritage daw. I'm not sure kung ano yung mga details about it yet. Anong meron dito sa Litiang Old Town? Litiang. Yes, it's a UNESCO World Heritage.
Maraming mga shops, yung costume rentals na pwede kayong magpa-photo. Tulad nung ginawa nila Coles. Sa Dali, yeah.
So yun, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Old Town, mga bestie ko. Ikot-ikot lang kami around the Old Town before dinner. Nakabili po tayo ng mga chili. 3 for 100. Ayan siya. Cumin, chili powder. Then we have here yung from mushroom daw or something. Basta mas basa na chili. Ayan siya. Ang laki, di ba? Paano kaya namin ito mauubos ni Carl? That's for 3 for 105. Then ayun, ikot-ikot lang kami, di ba? Very charming talaga mga beses ko. Para kami nasa fairy tale na town. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Then after that, ayan, dinner. Take note, this dinner is not part of the package. Sariling trippings namin to. May pa live set.
Huwag kayong nagpapaniwala.
Saan kayo punta? Sama ako.
Bibili lang kami niyan.
Dali natin sila dun sa chili.
O sama ako. Ayan na. Bye-bye guys. O diba? Ako kasi yung tipong parang pag magkakasama silang lahat, kahit sobrang pagod ako, kailangan ko sumama kasi mafa-FOMO ako. Oo, ayan sila oh. Babalik sila sa pupuntahan namin. O kasama. Sama ka rin?
Malayo ba yun?
Oo. Malapit lang.
Doon siya. Sure?
Doon nga, papasok
Ay, okay.
doon. Sorry.
Bibili kami chili.
Guys, huwag kayo masyadong nagpapaniwala kay Coles. Kasi,
Bakit?
ewan ko ba, ako hindi ako naniniwala kay
Grabe.
Coles.
After ng pinagsamahan natin.
Ay, Char lang guys, maniwala kay Coles kasi galing na galing ako sa
Alam nyo ba, napaka-Enrique Hill yan. Ay, sige na, hubaran na ako.
Napaka-informative niyang taong yan.
Ay, grabe
Pinapanood
naman.
ko siya talagang
Anong favorite mong Anong favorite mong...
Yung kanina, yung intro na kanina dun sa temple.
Shoot ka. yun, we had our dinner, may pa-live performance pa. And food is actually really good, but it's actually good, but I still prefer yung mga usual part of the package because of the table setup itself. Kasi, di ba, yung umiikot, ito kasi medyo hirap na hirap kami magpasahan ng food. Food-wise, good. Anong mga nabili mo, MJ?
Nakaless ako ng 10 yuan.
Wow, taray. Tingin ako ng mga pinagbibili mo, sis. Ang dami, marami. Ay, taray.
Pinapakitaan lang niya ng malungkot na face.
Pati sila, bumili din kayo, no? Same din. Tatlo din. Tatlo.
Dalawang, ano yan, yung spice powder?
Dalawa?
Yes.
Mauubos nyo yan?
Hindi, sa mother.
Kay mama. Yung may chili na, yung may peanut. Yan. Best ko yan eh. I love that. Oh my God, life is good! Last full day of our tour for our trip here in Yunnan. Take note, may 2 full days pa kami pero hindi na siya tour. Ngayon na yung last day namin for the tour. And oh my God, I just realized na super life is good. Life is really, really good. Life is beautiful! So we woke up very early at around, gumising ako 4:30 a.m. Call time is at 6 a.m. And dapat, nakakain ka na because today is the highlight of our whole Yunnan trip because we will be going to the Snow Jade Mountain. And oh my God. Balita ko, sobrang ganda daw talaga dun. As in, very breathtaking. And everyone is saying that this is really the highlight of this whole Yunnan trip. So I'm really, really looking forward to this. So we left 6 a.m. and time check, it's already 7 a.m. and we're already here in parang entrance kung saan kami sasakay ng cable car. Yes, magki-cable car po tayo mga bestie ko because the mountain that we're going to is 4,500 meters high and sis, hindi siya nakakaganda i-hike. Again, the cable car ride is already part of the package of Tango Travels mga bestie ko. So take note nyo yan. Ayan na, papasok na po kami. Tips, mas malamig sa taas. Make sure you're prepared. Yung outfit nyo, dapat talaga doble-doble kasi malamig daw. Balita ko -6 daw sa taas. I don't know. Yun yung base sa weather forecast yesterday. But, facts, paiba-iba talaga yung weather nila. Then, another one is you have to hydrate. Always bring your water with you and your oxygen tank because, again, it's 4,500 meters up. Talagang challenging huminga. The altitude is not giving. So make sure you bring this one. Make sure to bring this one with you on the way here. Share ko lang habang naghihintay. Nagpakita sa amin yung Snow Mountain during sunrise. And as per the tour guide, it's not common para magpakita yung Snow Mountain. For the past 3 days daw, it's been rainy. And during our trip, nagpakita siya. And swerte daw yon, money daw yon. So we're very, very lucky. We're super duper lucky to witness the Jade Mountain from afar. Ang ganda, sobrang breathtaking yung mga bestie ko. Gusto ko lang umiyak pero ayoko maging OA sa harap ng iba.
naputol yung ating vlog natin kanina and we're already here on top. Grabe, life is good mga bestie ko. Life is good. Life is so beautiful. Sobrang ganda. Itong view na to, hindi ko na alam kung kailan yung next na mawi-witness ko to. So I'm really taking it all in. Thank you, Lord. So anyway, i-repeat ko ulit ang aking discussion a while ago. We're currently here in the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. This is one of the highlights here in Yunnan. And mga bestie ko, sinasabi ko sa kanyo, sobrang worth it niya. This is actually not just one area. Right now kasi we're just in one area, but it consists of different peaks. I think mga 13. And if nakahanay sila with the snow on top, locals say it actually looks like a jade dragon flying through the clouds. Kaya siya tawag na Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. So the highest peak is actually at 5,500 something. Wala pang nakaabot nun. Right now we are at 4,500. Medyo middle ground lang. We had to take the cable ride for about 10 minutes. And yeah, the view is really amazing. Medyo during that time, medyo struggling lang sa may tenga kasi nga, yun nga, nag-change na yung altitude. But the whole experience is really nice. Then when you reach the top, hindi siya ganun kalaki. Hindi rin siya ganun kaliit. Gets? And there are stairs going on the peak of this area that you could try. But for me kasi, half lang yung ginawa ko. Quick fact mga bestie ko, for the local Naxi ethnic group here in Lijiang, this mountain is actually sacred because they believe na itong mountain na to, it's connected to the protector god in their culture. So for many locals, hindi lang talaga to attraction or scenic place, talagang spiritual place din talaga siya. So one thing I noticed here in the peak is nag-change yung weather. Yesterday, the forecast was -6. Now, parang hindi ko feel na -6 siya. I'll double check it later. Then when you're here, minsan magiging windy, minsan bigla na lang iinit because of the sun, or minsan lalamig, ganun. So, paiba-iba siya. So, just make sure na prepared. Dala kayong ganito. Kung naiinitan, tanggalin nyo, ganun. Kanina naka-gloves ako, then naiinitan ako, tinanggal ko, ganun. So, yeah, yun lang naman. We spent around 1 hour here. So, take note mga bestie ko, 1 hour ang aming allotted time in this area. So, make sure na talagang i-maximize nyo kasi talagang hindi nyo alam kung kailan nyo ito makikita next. finally back in the hotel. We have a short 1 hour and 30 minutes break before we ikot-ikot again. Grabe, this day is so long, but it's so worth it. And ang ganda talaga. As in, thank you Lord ka na lang talaga for the whole experience. Like, imagine witnessing all this breathtaking landscapes, experiencing napakakaibang culture that it's my first time experiencing this
culture talaga. You know, I've been traveling for 10 years, diba? And this culture is really one of a kind. Experiencing all this additional features like yung accommodation, yung food. Talagang, thank you Lord. Thank you Lord talaga. So, hindi ko na kayo na-update kanina with the ganaps at puro tayo B-rolls for the past minute. First is the Jade Mountain, yung pinuntahan nga natin kanina. Then, near that is the Blue Moon Valley, or they also call it Blue Pond. Although, kung nakikita nyo, hindi naman siya color blue, color green siya, day. And it's actually one of the most unreal looking places here in Yunnan. Kung nakikita nyo naman, napaka-breathtaking naman din talaga. It actually reminds me of Kazakhstan. Although I haven't been to Kazakhstan, but I have seen a lot of content about it. And ayan, di ba, parang yung kulay ng lake niya is giving Kazakhstan lake. And di ba, parang siyang AI. Alam mo yun? Ayan no, is this even real? So yes mga bestie ko, this is the Blue Moon Valley. And take note, the water comes from the melted snow from the mountain. Kaya sobrang clear and vibrant niya. Malaking area siya, but we only went to 2 areas via their shuttle. So first area is this one. Ayan, maraming tao. And medyo nasa above the lake tayo. And then the second area is, then bumaba kami and ayan, mas mukhang blue yung pond niya. Diba nakikita nyo? Marami talaga siyang lakes connected to each other with a little bit of waterfalls in between. After the Blue Pond, we took the shuttle, which is the same shuttle that we took earlier. Kasi again, isang area lang siya, going to the area where the impression show will be held. And honestly, mga bestie ko, this is actually one of the most unique shows in the whole China. So before anything else, lunch muna kami. Ayan na aming lunch spread. Again, fiesta levels na naman po tayo. Ang sarap ng food in fairness, pero at this point, parang medyo nauumay na tayo sa Chinese food. But then again, masarap pa rin. Then, before 1 p.m., I think mga 30 minutes before 1 p.m., we already went to the show area para makakuha ng magandang seats. This is our seats. Ayan. Then this is the stage area. So ayan, going back to what I'm saying, that's why it's one of the most unique, because kung makikita mo naman yung stage, ang ganda. It's outdoor area and it has the backdrop of the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. And take note ha, this is at 3,000 plus meters altitude. Ma-experience mo ba to sa normal life mo? So this show actually features performances inspired by the cultures and traditions of the ethnic groups here in Yunnan, especially the Naxi people. So, di ba, instead of a normal theater performance, it feels more raw, cultural, emotional. And take note, this is actually directed by itong si Kuya Zhang Yimou, the same famous filmmaker of the Beijing Olympics opening ceremony. So, di ba, talagang may expect mo na grande and giving yung production. And talaga naman, grande talaga. So let me give you a quick B-roll again of the whole show. Ang ganda, di ba? Take note pala mga bestie ko, the whole show lasted for about 1 hour and medyo talagang under the sun siya. So if ever bring something na hat and shades or something na that will cover your face, bawal ang payong, of course, para makakita yung mga tao na sa likod nyo. So next yan, hindi pa po tayo tapos. Kahit pagod na, we went to this garden. I forgot the name. I'll just place it here. It's actually very TikTok famous daw. And spend around 1 hour exploring around, taking photos. During this time, medyo init na po tayo kasi talagang tinik yung araw. So imagine, we started our day very, very cold and ngayon talagang pawisan. Pero ang outfit natin hindi pa nagbago. Patong-patong na heat tech dye. So yun, this place is actually filled with a lot of flowers. As in flowers here, flowers there. And ang dami pong mga nagfo-photoshoot. Ang dami mga nagpa-perenap. And ang ganda naman talaga. Yun lang, medyo hindi namin feel yung outfit namin. Sayang, sana nagdala kami ng extra OOTD para vibes talaga, di ba? And again, you have the backdrop of the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. Ang ganda naman talaga, di ba? So yun, then after that, we headed back here in our hotel to rest. Then, yan! On the next minutes, we will be exploring around the old town, around our hotel. So, chikahin ko na lang kayo later again.
Marami mang border collie sa Siargao.
Ala, dalaga na siya eh.
Ang ganda guys, sobrang charming. If charming yung mga last na old towns na we visited, this one is the most charming because, I mean, look at that. There is a river ba to? Basta body of water in the middle of the old town and it's not that crowded as per the last old towns that we visited. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda naman dito para tayo nasa Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs movie. Ang ganda guys. Tinan mo kahit yung kanilang river, it's so clear. Hindi siya river, ang linis. Nahiya ang Pasig River natin. And look at that view! Very romantic!
Bakit ba kasi wala akong jowa ngayon? I mean, wala si Carl. Hay, ang sarap maglabing-labing dito.
Punta kayo sa Kunming, sana hindi na trabaho.
We don't feel like it's work.
不感觉是工作，现在来了。
Yes!
Thank you.
Yes!
We love you, Jenny. We love you, Mr. Shah.
Thank you!
Enjoy?
Yes. So ayan mga bestie ko, part of their tradition is during the last dinner of the whole group, a way to thank the authorities is to visit their table and to mag-cheers. So yan ang gagawin natin.
Thank you rin tayo kay Mr. Tang.
Yes, thank you. This is our best China trip.
Yeah.
Yes, unforgettable.
支持。
不是支持最大的。
Cheers! Gigi Ako din, naiyak din ako. Makichika lang tayo sa shop na to na may 10 yuan. So ito kasi na-intriga ako dito. 10 lang, day.
79 naman.
79 pala to. Okay, so 79. Akala ko 10. Ito 15 pero is giving pag winashing machine mo tapos na Okay, yun lang naman. Let's go matcha.
So yun, after dinner, we're just roaming around the whole area. Medyo nakakalito. Magpasikot-sikot. Oo, kasi madilim, first of all. Tapos second, hindi reliable si Mapa. Parang nag-jump siya. But finally, after 45 minutes probably, we found our way going home.
So, dito na lang kami mag-matcha. Wala. How much?
18 lang.
18 matcha. Ito. Taray, ang sarap sana mag-matcha pero...
Extra strong matcha ice cream.
Sarap. Sarap.
Matcha matcha.
No.
Oo, matcha. Sarap. Sarap. So, car number 2. Car number 2.
After that,
So, ayan, wala tayong tulog mga bestie ko because last night, parang kumukulo yung aking tiyan at nag-foxicles ako, sis. Kaya parang in the middle of the evening, pagising-gising ako para you know what I'm saying. Kaya wala tayong tulog, ayan. Then, call time is 7:20 a.m. since we will be going to Kunming City already. So, we will be traveling from Litiang City to Kunming City via train. Kasi mas mabilis na ang train rather than the bus that we did few days ago. Few days ago, if you remember, what we took is the bus from Kunming to Dali. So if you're gonna take the train from Litiang to Kunming, which what we're gonna do, it will take you 4.5 hours. And sobrang comfortable ng seat nyo. Pwede kayong as in, mas comfortable talaga. But if you're gonna take the bus, it will take you 6 hours. So it's a small difference lang naman. But I think convenience, the comfort, and again, a little bit of efficiency ang atake. Now, andito kami sa Kunming mga bestie ko. Medyo humihina na yung volume kasi nahihiya na akong mag-vlog. We're already here in Kunming and our first agenda is have lunch. Then, we'll be exploring around a shopping mall. Kunming City mga bestie ko, this is already the capital of Yunnan. So, kunwari, pagka Pilipinas, pagka Metro Manila, Manila City, ganun. Nandito lang kami sa capital ng Yunnan and if you could check, it's puro buildings na, ang gulo-gulo na, parang ang dami ng mga nangyayari sa kalsada. Hindi na siya ganun ka-charming as yung previous na mga places we visited. So, let's see, ano kaya nga maihahanda ng Kunming sa atin, day?
Shopping.
By the way, I forgot to mention the train that we took, yung tickets niya, everything, again, is provided by Tango Travel. So, for the past 6 to 5 days, ang ginastos ko lang is yung mga snacks or actually snacks lang. Wala. At saka yung mga shopping ng mga anik-anik yun. But every essentials, food, transportation, entrance fees, accommodation, ano pa ba, tour guides, everything, provided na po yan. So yung mga nakikita nyo dito sa vlog, kasama na yan sa package na i-avail nyo. Then, I also want to mention na that's why we're here in Kunming because this is where we're gonna depart going to Manila. So ito na yung may international airport. Going home! Okay, we're in Kunming! Hey guys! Hi, welcome to Kunming! Then we have a new bus here in Kunming. Hey! So ayan, magsasamgyup kami at medyo umay na sa Chinese food. So take note mga bestie ko, this one, it's a personal expense. But again, lunch and dinner are still included in your package, hindi lang dito. Okay, take note yan. So ayan na ang vibe ng KBBQ. I love it.
No, girlfriend, you cheat me. When you come out, every...
Wow, look at our hotel. Ang ganda, even the floor. Ang shala. Tingnan mo yung centerpiece. Ang ganda. High ceiling. OMG.
So yung mga bestie ko, magpa-party po kami for our last night here in Kunming.
Grabe! Look at the visuals! Wow, taray! Labubu! Taray, grabe ang mga music. Wow! Hey! Ang laki! So, it's a karaoke place mga bestie ko. And ayan, ganito kalaki ang karaoke room namin. Ang laki. And tira mo ay mga visuals dito. Grabe. So baby, pull me closer.